Welcome to our video on how to break a fast using a delicious bone broth recipe. As we know, intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its numerous health benefits, including improved metabolism, weight loss, and reduced inflammation. But when it comes to breaking a fast, it's essential to do it in a healthy and efficient way. That's why we're going to show you how to break your fast with a nutrient-rich and flavorful bone broth recipe. So, let's dive in. Before we get to the recipe, let's talk a little bit about the science behind intermittent fasting. A recent study by the National Institute on Aging found that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan and improve cognitive function. Fasting has also been shown to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and aid in weight loss. However, breaking a fast can be tricky. Your body has been in a fasting state, and it's important to introduce food slowly and steadily to avoid digestive issues or discomfort. That's where bone broth comes in. Bone broth is packed with nutrients, including collagen, amino acids, and minerals that are easily digestible and can help nourish your body as you break your fast. Now, let's get to the recipe. So, you will need 2 pounds of grass-fed beef bones, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh thyme, 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 8 cups of water. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the beef bones on a baking sheet. Roast for 30 minutes until browned. Cut the vegetables into chunks and add them to a large pot. Once the bones are roasted, add them to the pot with the vegetables. Add the apple cider vinegar, sea salt, black pepper, and herbs. Pour in the water and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 12 to 24 hours. Strain the broth and discard the solids. Once the broth is made, it can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days or frozen for later use. This bone broth recipe is not only delicious but also highly nutritious. The collagen in the broth can help support your gut health, reduce inflammation, and improve your skin's appearance. Plus, it's easy to digest, making it an ideal food for breaking a fast. Now, you may be wondering how to incorporate this bone broth into your intermittent fasting routine. Well, it's simple. Start with a small amount, around half a cup, and gradually increase the amount each day as your body adjusts. If you're looking for other natural ways to support your health, we highly recommend the book Herbs for Health Only Herbal Remedies. This book provides natural and effective remedies for common health issues without the negative side effects of chronic medication. You can find the link to the book in the description below. In conclusion, breaking a fast doesn't have to be a daunting task. With this bone broth recipe, you can nourish your body with essential nutrients while enjoying a delicious meal. Remember to introduce food slowly and gradually after a fast, and listen to your body's needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips. Also, make sure to check out the book Herbs for Health Only Herbal Remedies for natural and effective ways to support your health. The link is in the description below. Happy fasting!